Hello everyone. Today we are discussing very important section inserted by government, that is section 206 AB, which says about deduction of TDS on higher rate. So this section 206 AB will be applicable from 1st July 2021. First we will see that when this section will not be applicable. Section 206 AB will not be applicable to the non-resident who does not have a permanent establishment in India, as well as it will not be applicable on the following given section, which is section 192 salary, 192A, 194B and BB, 194 LBC and 194 N. Section 206 AB will be applicable from 1st July 2021, and under this section organization needs to check the following conditions. If the condition gets satisfied, then the person will be known as specified person and the organization needs to deduct their TDS on higher rate. The conditions for the specified persons are: number 1, if the person have not filed their income tax return immediately in past 2 financial year. Number 2, the due date of ITR filing of the last financial year has been lapsed. And number 3, the aggregate TDS in rupees 50,000 or more in each of 2 previous years. So if these conditions get satisfied, then the person or the organization will be known as specified person. If the person found specified person, then the buyer or person who needs to pay them has to deduct TDS on a higher rate of percentage. So the rates of TDS to be deducted are as follows. It's twice the rate applicable in relevant act, or twice any other rate specified by the government, or at the rate of 5%, whichever is more or whichever is higher. Here the government also has given us the facility to check the non-filers and tracking them from income tax portal. We can register ourselves by providing the PAN number on the government portal, and after that we can track the non-compliant people who fall under 206 AB. Now the biggest challenge in front of the organization after tracking someone under section 206 AB who is specified person, the challenges will be how we can map that specified person in Tally Prime, whether the calculation of the TDS on higher rate is possible or not, or will it get calculated on a higher rate. So for that we can say solution is here. Now I am showing the add-on module which is developed for this section to track your customer in a proper way, which is falling under a specified person category. For this you just have to click on the help button. Under that we will be having a TDL and add-on, and we have to add this 206ab.tcp file in your Tally Prime. Once we add our TDL, here in party type we will be getting one option which is enable section 206ab, which will track your customer as a specified customer, and the TDS will be get deducted on a higher rate. Now by passing entry we will see whether it is getting deducted on higher rate or not. Let us select our party, which is Adiyogi Enterprises. Once we select our party, we just have to enter and then we have to select the expenses. Here I have an expenses which is advertisement expenses. I have incurred advertisement expenses worth rupees 1 lakh. Here you can see automatically you will be getting your nature of payment, which is nothing but TDS on higher rate. You can select it from here. Then you can give effect to your CGST and GST ledger. Once we select our CGST and SGST ledgers, we just have to give an effect to 206 AB higher rate. But before that, as you can see, if your party you have mapped under section 206 AB, then in red mark here you will be getting that party under section 206 AB. Now you can enter, and from here you can select your duty ledger, which is nothing but TDS on contract. Once we select the ledger, this is duty ledger, TDS on contract, my TDS will get deducted on a higher rate, as you can see. Under advertisement expenses, any contract, the TDS will be chargeable on 1% on in case of individual and 2% in case of company. So you can say it has been get calculated on 5%, which is highest rate, and this is how you can calculate and deduct the TDS on a higher rate. And also you will be getting a proper effect in your Tally Prime with the notifying and mapping of party under section 206 AB. If you have any query or any issue related to this TDL or for getting the in-depth demo on this TDL, you can contact us on below given number. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much.